The electric skillet is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to make cooking easier and more convenient. With adjustable temperature control, even heat distribution, and a non-stick cooking surface, it allows you to fry, sauté, simmer, or even bake a variety of meals in one pan. Portable and easy to use, electric skillets are perfect for preparing family meals, quick breakfasts, or one-pan dinners while saving time and energy in the kitchen. Starting at number 1. Elite Gourmet EG6203. The Elite Gourmet Electric Skillet is a versatile kitchen appliance designed for convenience and durability. Made with a thick cast aluminum body and a black lacquer finish, it resists rusting and warping, ensuring long-lasting performance. Its marbleized honeycomb non-stick surface is more durable than traditional non-stick coatings, preventing cracking or peeling while allowing for quick and easy food release and cleanup. The skillet is dishwasher safe and fully immersible in the sink once the temperature control unit is removed. It features a fully embedded M-shaped heating element that provides rapid and even heat distribution, with adjustable temperatures ranging from 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit via a trigger release control probe, eliminating hot spots and preventing scorched food. The clear tempered glass lid locks in flavors and moisture, while the extra-large 16-inch by 13-inch by 3.15-inch pan dimensions and 10.5 quart capacity make it ideal for serving 6 to 8 people. Number 2. Dash Family Size 14-inch Skillet. The Dash Family Size 14-inch electric skillet is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to make everyday cooking easier and more convenient. Featuring a spacious 14-inch cooking surface, this electric skillet provides plenty of room to prepare family-size meals such as stir-fries, pancakes, pasta, burgers, and more. Its ceramic non-stick coating ensures food releases easily while using less oil and makes cleanup quick and simple. The skillet also comes with a tempered glass lid that helps retain heat and moisture while allowing you to monitor your food as it cooks. With cool touch handles for safe handling and an adjustable temperature control for precise cooking, this stylish cream-colored skillet is perfect for sautéing, frying, simmering, and serving delicious meals right at the table. Number 3. Presto 06857 16-inch Electric Foldaway Skillet. Presto 06857 16-inch Electric Foldaway Skillet is a spacious and versatile kitchen appliance designed for convenient everyday cooking. It features a large 16-inch cooking surface with high sidewalls, giving you plenty of room to prepare family-size meals such as frying chicken, grilling burgers, sautéing vegetables, or making casseroles. The skillet is made with a heavy cast aluminum base and deluxe non-stick coating, allowing food to release easily and making cleanup quick and simple. It also includes a tempered glass lid with stay-cool handles so you can monitor cooking while keeping heat and moisture inside. A Control Master heat control automatically maintains the desired temperature for consistent results, while the fold-down handles allow the base and handles to store neatly inside the pan for compact storage. Number 4. Nuwave Medley XL Digital Electric Skillet. The Nuwave Medley XL Digital Electric Skillet is a modern, family-size electric skillet designed for versatile and convenient cooking. With a generous 7-quart capacity, it provides ample space to prepare large meals such as pancakes, stir-fries, casseroles, and grilled dishes. The skillet features 2025 improved precision heating technology with a digital temperature control that allows accurate adjustments from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring consistent cooking results. Its PFAS-free G11 ceramic non-stick coating offers a healthier, scratch-resistant surface that releases food easily and simplifies cleanup. A vented tempered glass lid helps retain heat and moisture while letting you monitor your food as it cooks, and the portable design with cool touch handles makes it suitable for kitchens, parties, camping, or travel. Combining precise digital control, even heat distribution, and durable construction, this electric skillet is an excellent all-in-one appliance for frying, sautéing, simmering, steaming, and slow cooking. Number 5. CucinaPro 12-inch Round Electric Skillet. The CucinaPro 12-inch round electric skillet is a stylish and practical kitchen appliance designed for convenient everyday cooking. Crafted from durable 1810 stainless steel, this 12-inch round electric frying pan offers excellent heat distribution for preparing meals quickly and evenly. It comes with a tempered glass lid that helps lock in heat and moisture while allowing you to monitor your food during cooking. The skillet features secure riveted handles and an adjustable temperature control probe, giving you precise control over the cooking temperature for frying, sautéing, grilling, or making breakfast favorites. Its portable design makes it ideal for kitchen countertops, parties, or small gatherings, and it even includes a recipe guide to help you create a variety of delicious dishes with ease. So that was our list of the best electric skillets in 2026 you can buy right now. If you want to check the latest prices or buy any of these products, all the links are available in the video description below. If this video helped you find the right product, please like this video thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more honest product reviews and buying.